In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make $5 per hour completing small gigs. When I'm talking about small gigs, this is nothing about compared to what you can do on Fiverr, Upwork, and other rest of platform. I'm talking about doing very simple tasks and earning money for doing so. People are definitely making thousands of dollars from this entire platform, and I'm here to share with you definitely how you can make your own money here in 2020 on this platform. I'm here to share with you how you can earn your own profit from doing small gigs, small tasks on this platform here in 2022 and beyond. You can really complete just as how you have seen right here with John Stone, definitely making his $31 in a very simple task. You can do so and much more. So I'm here definitely going to show you, if you don't have any money and you really want to start making money for doing very simple things that you daily do, your daily tasks of work that you do, possibly watching a YouTube video, like or sharing an entire Facebook page, possibly sign up towards some platforms or so on, and you're making definitely some very easy money. So stay with me and I will share with you definitely how to do so. If this is the first time being on my channel, here on my channel I share definitely about ways of making money online, how to build a digital business, and different ways of dealing with affiliate marketing and other different things so you can have money for your entire comfort. So my name is VJ Nelson. Please subscribe, share this video, and also give this video a thumbs up. So let I jump in and help you to really make some money online. Here, as you can see, there are money really making definitely on this platform. As you can see with John Stone making $31, and you can see one small job earning 24 cents, and you can see one post job $1.24. This is definitely some ways that you can really make money. And as you can see right here, let I refresh the screen so you can see this is something really going on right now on this platform. As you can see, this person have made $313.81 here, $144, and you can see that they keep making. Over this side right here, they are cashing out, and some are cashing out from $6, $4, $5, and so on, right? And these are things that they possibly done in one day, so they are cashing out definitely their daily earns. So definitely on this platform, the moment you reach $5, you can start cashing out towards your PayPal, or possibly you want it to convert into some form of cryptocurrency. You can do that as well. As you can see on the platform, they deal with all those things. LTC and so on, they definitely deal with. So you can always transfer your money into cryptocurrency and make a lot more in profit. The real good thing about it is that people are really making money definitely from this platform. And as you can see right here, if I refresh once more, you can see this is constantly updating with the different people that are making money right now on this platform. Alright, so as you can see, latest complete tasks, and these are just updates of people who are making. So this is a new person that joined and making $12 right there. This is someone else that is making definitely. You're looking at, as you can see right there, it just refreshed, showing right away people that are earning on the platform right away, and they're doing very small tasks definitely and earning all this money. So this is nothing hard for you to do. This is something that you can just jump and click the link in the description and start making these money right away if you want. However, I'm just going to jump in and really show you definitely what the platform is, and for you to really sign up, what it takes and everything. So here I'm going to go in for you right now. And here is the platform which is known as Pick Coworkers. Pick Coworkers is definitely a platform, and as you can see, I have signed in already. and I make 14 cents by just completing two tasks. Two tasks only have I complete. Definitely very easy to sign up. You're going to give your name and your email. You put in a password, and then after you got to confirm this with your enter your email address. So once you get in and confirm it, you get towards this dashboard. Here on this dashboard, you will really choose your enter your work that you want. Definitely. So you try to find a work, and I'm going to tell you how you can really make the money real fast and easy. Definitely. But before I get there, once you just sign up, you will have 180 seconds in between each task you complete. But once you complete the task, definitely, and it approve, you lose 10 seconds. So it will reduce definitely from 180 seconds down to the very point that each task you complete, you can bring it down towards 0 seconds. That means that as you complete a task, you can just jump right away. You don't have to wait any seconds in between to complete your task. So in order for you to start making real good money here on PicoWorker, you need to really just come towards this entire point where you see payment. You click on it, and once you click there, you're going to really move this bar right down to the point. And if I should move it to say, okay, I believe 50 cents would be right okay for me, right? So anywhere in the 50 cents, and I click apply, I will really get this entire point to say I can find work definitely that start from $1, or should I say from anywhere of the 50 cents up towards $1.55 or $1.14, $1.05, and all of that. So once you complete these tasks, which is $1, as you can see, you will be just earning $1 per possible 3 minutes or 5 minutes. So in between, you can really just go ahead and deal with other rest of things. Right as you complete this, you just want your complete little seconds to run out, and then you move on to a next task. And once you move on to a next task, then you have the idea of making a next dollar and that interval. So within possible to say 5 to 10 minutes, it will take you to make $1, and within the next 5 to 10 minutes you make another dollar. You just keep on doing this and doing this until you reach to a point where you can even make more than $5 per hour. The reason why I really say $5 per hour, because it is possible that you may do some things that are smaller, some things that may be bigger, to the point to say less than a dollar or more than $1. But you don't have any on the platform right now that is more than $1. So I'm just looking at each task may take you somewhere in between 5 to 10 minutes. And once you complete, you enter your 5 to 10 minutes, then you will move on to your next task and really get things going on. So once I jump in again, and to really show you, definitely here you can really see that these tasks are for $1, and once you complete, you get your $1. It's very easy to do all these very small tasks, and as you can really see, right, we're going to show on my page to complete these tasks. Here, you can hold a job. You say you go to this and that URL. You say to sign up, use my referral code. So this is definitely some way of signing up some things. This is similar towards CPA marketing, right? And I say after sign up, go to settings and complete auto ID verification, right? Take less than 3 minutes. So I'm definitely correct when I say this may take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. As you can see, really showing that it takes less than 3 minutes to really complete this entire task. All right. So to show proof, you gotta make sure that you get some of these things to show proof. Copy ID, you can find it in the profile settings, and you say that once you copy ID, you're gonna screenshot your verification profile and so on. So once you do that, now you put the copy of the ID here in this box, and once you get the next one, you fill the next one in the box, your comment here, and so on. and click submit your approve. Once you do that, you'll find yourself right over to the point where they approve you for the task that you complete, and you'll be earning your $1 right there, or whatever task you complete, and whatever is the earnings that they already shown up, you would really get your earnings once the task is approved, and so on. You will start getting your earnings, so you can go right to the e-wallet to really see your earnings. So I'll jump in back again and show you. All right, so once you get the task complete, you come right over here at wallet, and it will show you your amount. As a matter of fact, you can really look on your screen right here, and you see the amount that you made for the task that you complete. So this is very easy for you to just jump in and do what you gotta do. And in otherwise, you can also pick the different tasks that you want to complete. Let's say you want to really complete things within sign up, search and clicks, data entry, Telegram, it could be video marketing, it could be Facebook you want to like, Instagram, Twitter, or promote things, Reddit, and so on. You can really come right here and you select definitely what you want to do, and you enter your task that you will find yourself comfortable with and can use. This is something that can really put a little change in your pocket. However, it will not make you become rich overnight, but you can use the money from this entire platform to do other rest of little things that you can use to improve yourself. Possible, you could take the money and run a very small promotion, definitely for possible affiliate links and so on. Or you could pay someone to create an ebook for you so you could sell, and you do your entire chores that you gotta really deal with, definitely. So it's very easy for you to really sign up, and the link is in the description where you can just go ahead, sign up and start making your little money right away. As I say, you can earn $5 per hour, or maybe more, maybe less. It depends on what tasks you choose to really deal with, how you can really make your money, definitely. So feel free to click the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and also click the notification bell so I can see you in the next one.